How to convert image to PDF. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can convert your image into a PDF file. So first of all, you have to open up this website, which is www.ilovepdf.com, and here you will see bunch of different tools. So here you will see this tool which is like jpeg to PDF. So you will click on this one, and then you have to select your jpg images, okay, not png images. So we will click on this one here, and these are like png images, but this one is jpg. So we will click on this image here, and then you will actually select the page or orientation, portrait to landscape. So I will click on landscape here. You can actually choose the page size, so A4 is fine, and if you want you can add some margins, but I want no margins. And if you want you can actually merge all the images into one file, and then click on convert to PDF, and then download PDF file and download it, and then open it. And here you can see that we have now converted our jpg image into the PDF file. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.